Alright, what's up guys? This is Ron with the breakdown. Today we got the Sport True Wireless earbuds. Let's check them out. Alright guys, I am super excited about these. Finally there's a product that I can try out that says truly wireless earbuds. We can see if it actually means truly wireless. Just from the first glance in the front of the box, I don't see any wires. All I see is a couple of different earbuds and a little case that recharges the earbuds for you, which is kind of nice. It also said sweat proof. Definitely a highlighted feature we'll have to check out a little later in the video. Check out the back of this thing. In the back here, it says it's got quick pair technology. So when we go through the breakdown, I'll show you exactly what that means and how that works. HD sound, so high def sound. I'm sure you guys all know what that means. Nice, crisp, clear tones that come through, so you don't have to worry about, hearing crackly stuff. Plays music as well, so if you're listening to music, call comes through, you're good, you're golden. This is actually, it says right here, this is a portable charging case, so that's actually pretty neat. I wonder how that thing charges. I wonder if it's wireless. We'll check that out later on the breakdown and see if it is. It says it's also ultra lightweight, so it's in your pocket. You're not going to feel it, which is kind of nice, because I have other earbuds I'm trying out right now, and they're pretty heavy and they get in the way. Also 13 hours of standby and of usage as well. The packaging's got a nice sturdy feel to it. The front's got a magnetic preview window. Kind of check out the product, what it's to look like before you purchase it. Let's lay it out for you. Alright guys, time for the breakdown. On this device, I usually go through everything and kind of show you guys a little bit of everything before I do the initial part, but this one's a little bit different. These are kind of special, really small, really intricate, so I'll kind of want to show you how to sync them to your phone first, then we'll break down the rest of the features of this product. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, you open this up. Now, once you open up, you're kind of starting the pair process right there already. The two earbuds will pair to themselves, and then you sync it to your phone. Takes about 10 seconds for everything. It's pretty fast. Alright, so let's open these bad boys up. As soon as you open up and take them out, you're going to see the little lights are going to start to blink. So as soon as the blue lights are done blinking, it means they're going to be paired together, and then the right ear is going to blink red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, which means it's time to sync to your phone. So let's grab our phone and pair it. Alright, so first unlock the phone. Let's go to our settings for Bluetooth. Go all the way down to the bottom, you see right here, it says HyperGear True Wireless. You click that, wait a couple seconds, it's gonna do a little spinny thing, it's gonna think, and then boom, just like that, you're connected. So now you're ready to go through and listen to your music and do whatever you gotta do. So now let's talk about a few features before we actually listen to what it sounds like. First impression, when you feel these and touch them, man, they really have a high-end feel to them. They feel sturdy, they feel durable, they feel like you can put them through the ringer and they'll keep working. Wouldn't recommend washing them, but definitely they've got a good feel to it. Alright, let's say these things are dead. You need to recharge them. Very, very simple. You pop them in this case, which has been extremely well designed. Nice laser cuts, so you don't have to worry about them popping out, which is kind of nice. Close this bad boy, they're recharging. Say this case is dead, you gotta recharge the case. It comes with this micro USB cable. You plug it right here in the back. You plug this into one of the other power cords you already have, and you're good to go. Now that's for the sound of these bad boys. First, this thing locks right in your ear. You don't need to worry about it. It just clicks right in there and it's not gonna go anywhere. The sound that comes out of these things is amazing. HD sound, it's got great bass to it. Noise canceling, background noise, so if you're in the gym, you're walking around, you're not gonna hear people in the background, so you can focus on, your phone call or your music. Now, quick recap. They're definitely true wireless, sweat-proof, lightweight, HD sound, with 13 hours of talk and standby time. Why can't you buy these? Under 70 bucks, myhypergear.com. Check them out. This has been Ron with the breakdown. Peace.